You guys hear that? That is the sound of rain. When I was little, I always loved the rain. I just I get this like this energy, this happiness. I always loved the rain. Always loved the rain. I you know once upon a time in my lifetime, I also told myself, man, I would love to be in Seattle or somewhere that is like raining all the time. And I don't even understand why people find raining so depressing. You know, I don't understand. But everybody's different. But the reason that I love the rain so much is because it's calming. It's not of a sound of distraction. It's like a massage, in the brain to me. That's why I love the rain. It's just the sound of it, of calming, peaceful. So I made a video earlier this morning, a couple hours ago, that we have to let things go. You know, whatever the situation is. But as I was looking at my video and listening, there was a piece of line in the video that I said that when I was like having a decent day on my birthday, it's just not just on a certain day like my birthday, but it has become like every day. It's when you don't get nor respond, when you get that silent treatment, you know, to certain people. And I'm gonna touch this subject because um, now I understand where I'm at. I understand how things are. So look, guys, silence. I said that silence is a response, right? So that's what it is. When it comes to me, I don't get no response from nobody. If you know, it is what it is. What matter is myself, you know, and that's how it is. Do the same thing, guys. Do the same thing. Do the same thing. You don't got no respond. Your phone is always silenced. It is what it is. Now you know where you at. Now you know where you stand. So, but fuck it. I'm here to enjoy the sound of the rain. You know, looks like the rain is going. It's slowing down, but it's usually like a light rain. But it doesn't matter. I'm enjoying it. Minus the dog that I'm hearing, but it is what it is. You know. So if you out there, and it's raining, doesn't matter if it's day or nighttime. Go, man. Enjoy the rain. Enjoying that nature. That's nature. And everybody who relates to me and who loves the rain, man, I'm so happy that I'm not the only one. So the sound of the rain. I got nothing going on today. So I have work scheduled tonight. You know, which that's another issue I have. It's just so much right now. It's just too much. You know, unnecessarily behavior and stuff like this, like high school. So you know, that's what it is.